It was about 300 ppm earlier, it has already crossed 420. And if we don't remove this carbon dioxide from the air, by 2090, it will cross the safe limit of 800 ppm. And if we still do not reverse it back, by 2200, it will cross a very dangerous level of 5000 ppm. And at 5000 ppm, people will start dying on this planet. So if you want to save this Earth planet for your future generations, we have to do carbon capturing from the environment and we have to clean the environment. So here is the technology which has come. This technology is generally used in space missions, in underground bunkers, and in underground submarines. But for the first time after Corona, we have felt that this technology of CO2 removal from the environment should be used for common public. So we are converting the houses, your existing house, into emergency homes. So the houses will be totally safe in any type of disaster like Corona you have witnessed, and, or in future if there is some biological war, or there is a chemical war, or even there is a nuclear war. Your house should be safe so that you can survive for 6 days, 7 days, button-up period in your house. So this is the system. If you want, I can explain you the technology. So the system carries out three things. First, it will control the carbon dioxide in your room. You close your room from outside. Don't take outside air for human inhalation. Don't eat any food from outside. Don't take water from outside. Now, how will you survive? So this system does three things. Firstly, the moment carbon dioxide level keeps on increasing and it touches safe level of 800 ppm, it brings it down at a lower level. So it will bring it down to 400 ppm and then the system will rest. The oxygen level, for 24 hours you don't need any additional oxygen, but if you keep in button-up mode, total closed condition, after 24 hours, then the oxygen depletion takes place. So this system has got an automatic system which is called facility management system. The moment oxygen level comes down below 17%, it will add oxygen and make it 21%. The third thing is that it keeps the house or room in a positive pressure. Because some oxygen from this closed room you consume permanently, it goes into your body. So the negative pressure generates in your facility. So this system also adds the compressed air and keeps the positive pressure in your house. You can set the limit, 50 Pascal or 100 Pascal should be the positive pressure. It will keep that positive pressure always automatically. So no air from outside will enter your house because outside air is contaminated. It may be polluted. So this system provides you the safe living in any type of disaster. Other advantage is that whatever pollution we collect, this goes into our filters, and from these filters we make minerals rich organic manure, MROM. So this mineral rich organic manure goes as a nutrient to the plants. Plants give out oxygen and it comes back as a food and oxygen to us. So this is a totally sustainable system of coexistence of human beings and plants and trees. So plants and trees give us oxygen, they give us food. We consume this oxygen and food and we generate carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is converted into organic manure and we give it back to the plants. So it is a totally sustainable ecological system. And with this, we can arrest the global warming, we can arrest the climate change, or we can even reverse it. But there is a need to adopt this system on a world level. Because if we remove pollution from one city, it is not going to help. The entire world has to accept it. So I have sent a letter to Prime Minister Mr. Modi ji. I had requested him that now G20 summit is going on in India, so he should take cooperation from G20 nations, and we, based on our philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, कि पूरी दुनिया एक ही कुटुंब है, उस फिलोसफी पे काम हम ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं. तो बेस्ड ऑन दिस इंडियन फिलोसफी, we can eradicate this pollution problem, the global warming problem from the entire world. So this is my mission, and this mission was given to us by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the missile man of India. I am lucky that I worked under him on a different technology. He was working on a technology to make nuclear missiles. I was working during that period on a technology to save our country from the attack by enemy by such nuclear missiles. So the technology of nuclear protection has been developed by me in India, and now this technology I am using for protection of the entire community in the world. So my aim is to make each and every house as a bunker. So while I was in service, I made bunkers for the country, for the defense. Now after my retirement, I intend to make each house of the countrymen, my own countrymen first, and other people also in the world as a bunker. Means they will be totally safe against any disaster of nuclear, biological, chemical. That is what is my aim. That's all. Any questions if you have, I will try to answer it. Thank you.